tackles a very simple task, which is trip planning task for users. So let me come over here, and I'll start by, I'll go to my Windows Phone here, and I've got a Trip Companion app which runs on the phone. So let me go ahead and do something with it. Trip Companion, add Spain to my vacation ideas.
Added Spain to your vacation ideas.
Okay, so you can see that this application on the phone added Spain to my vacation ideas. Now I did that when I was standing by the water cooler with the phone in my hand, and my friend was telling me about the great trip that they had to Spain. Now later on, I'm thinking about my long summer. I'm thinking maybe I need to go pick a trip for my family. So I come back to my desk, and I've got my Surface sitting there, and I see that Road Trip Companion app is right here. So let me open that up. Now you notice that Spain, it shows a star, which means that this idea just got added to my app. So you can see how the Bing platform will work across the family of devices for the user. So let me click on Spain. And here, the developer has created an application experience with Spain in there. They've used one of our controls. That's nice. Let me just browse through. And now my friend, who was at the water cooler, was telling me about Valencia. So let me click on Valencia. Beautiful pictures of Valencia that you've put inside your app. I can browse through them. And this is what I call pretty much what an experience is today. Now let's see what we can do when we sprinkle this with the magic of some of our new controls. Great. So you integrated one of our controls, and you have this, what looks like a street side view. OK, let's see if we can make this more interesting. Let's create a bit of a virtual tour here.
This is the City of Arts and Sciences in Valencia. It is one of the largest cultural centers of Europe. You could easily spend more than a day here. You must see the oceanographic, the Prince Philip Museum and the Queen Sofia Arts Palace here. There are quite a few good hotels nearby. You can check out the views that you get from them to see if you should believe their marketing.
OK, great. So that was a little gritty thing. I thought developers would like that. So now you said, Gurdeep, that's great. You've given me a control where you flew a plane over Valencia, and we got to have it. So OK, fine. Well, let me see if we can do something more interesting with it. Folks, can you guys keep a secret? I know you're all developers, so I trust you guys. What we've not announced to anybody yet is that Windows 8.1 Maps app will come with 3D capability, with 3D imagery. OK? Now, we're going one step further. We're going to go one step further because we're going to take this 3D imagery, all the content we are creating, and enable it through a 3D control that you can embed inside your applications. I guess that's what I'm showing you here today. OK? So let me play with this a little. Let's see if there's some hotels here. Maybe I can go along the hotels. Maybe I can go explore a little bit before I go visit. Now, this takes the idea of going and visiting a city to a whole new level. And you can see how beautiful this imagery is. This is built using cameras that we have built ourselves with some amazing optics. This is very, very high resolution imagery. You can see all the details. And these details